Hello everybody, this is Lucy, and some people on my Facebook group were asking about how I make my houses very sturdy, so I wanted to show you some options. These are little houses made from cardstock, and I think all of these are 65-pound cardstock, and you can see how they flex. This is the first house in the Halloween house series in 2018. This is the Little Red Schoolhouse, just done in cardstock. I just wanted to see how it worked. And then this is the holiday house ornament that I made this year, and I just outlined it in glitter glue, which is called Stickles. But also, to give more surface area to glue it to a base, I made little tabs, and I think that keeps these sides straighter. You can see how it bends right where the tab ends. So if you're concerned about that, then make the tab go all the way across the house. But it makes it pretty sturdy, and this is pretty sturdy. And I'll show you one that has a base. This one, dressed as like a gingerbread ornament. Again, it's the same thing. I added a tab up here just to make it stronger for the twine to support it when it's hanging. But it's pretty sturdy. Will it last many, many years? No, but I think people can hang it for a number of years if they take care of it. So that's one thing. And then there's another kind of little detail that makes things better. One area that tends to get to fold are these little corners. So I usually round them off just a little bit so that they won't get dog-eared, so it won't fold right at the corner. Okay, those are the paper houses. Now I'm going to show you some examples of cardboard houses. This one is just my regular cardboard, the cardboard I always use. You can kind of see it's flexible and everything. There's no base on this house, but it's still very sturdy and nice and square. And part of that is because when I do my designs, I use roof flaps, which help keep it square. So when I cut out the design, these pieces at the top help keep the house square, and I think that's an important point. And then you put the over roof on top. And somebody was asking about, do you need to support in the middle of the house? Well, obviously on a little tiny house like this you don't need to, but I think you can tell it just dips in just a tiny bit. I don't really worry about it. Okay, here's a bigger house, and this one is, again, just one layer of cardboard. And this is a Batwing house that I think I probably made in 2017. And it's, again, very, very sturdy with the bat wings on it, which is just one layer of cardboard with some paper mache so I can make the bone structure of the wings. But it's a very sturdy house, and this one will last for many, many years. Same thing with the base. This just layers of corrugated cardboard. And then here is my sea-worn beach house. It's structurally very similar to the Batwing house. And with the siding on it in particular, it is sturdy. Now maybe you can tell that this side dips in a little bit. And the roof looks good. But, you know, this is like a 50-year house if people take care of it and it doesn't get wet. And the same thing, the base is just several layers of corrugated cardboard. Now I'm going to show you the gingerbread house that I made this year. Still smells good. You know, I painted it with the gingerbread paint. And it also, the gingerbread paint is thicker than most of my paint, and you can probably tell. And the roof with all these shingles, very, very sturdy. And this is a house that'll be good for a long time. So again, this is just the regular thin cardboard that I use, but with the roof flaps, that roof flap technique I use on most of my houses, and then a layer of shingles, it's sturdy. Also, this design, this little squared off thing, makes it very, very sturdy too. So anyway, so I think just regular cardboard, but even cardstock can be good. Especially with either paint or and how well it's protected by the base. You see, if you don't have the base here and the house falls over, then it's going to get bent right at the edge. right at the edge of the roof. So when you have a base that is larger than the size of the house, then it'll protect it. So those are just a few things I wanted to share with you about making a sturdy house. But this is 65-pound cardstock, and most of this is just my regular cardboard. If you wait just a second, I'll show you the cardboard so I can show you how much it flexes and you'll get an idea. Grab it. Okay, here's a piece that I cut out. This was a prototype for the plaster house, but you can see it's pretty flexible. But when you fold it, if you fold it right, usually I rescore the lines, which I haven't done on this one. These flaps keep it square, these roof flaps. And so that's why that's on almost all of my designs, a roof flap to help keep your house square. Okay, I just thought I'd share that little tidbit with you. Alrighty, y'all take care. Bye.